Hi there, hi all, welcome back with the seventh puzzle. The seventh puzzle in this additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, October the 9th, 2020. The seventh puzzle, Tectonic number 1. Yes, will be number, let me zoom this in, zoom this out. This will be number 1731. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means these two boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Triple box, 1, 2, and 3. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left in this area. 2 and the 3, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. These two boxes in this area should be the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Quadra box, 1, 2, and the 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and the 4. We see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then this area, one of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box, I think this should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 2. Then let me see. 2, 2, 2, 1, yes. This area, 4 boxes left. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3, 3, 5, 5. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 5, 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. And now let me see. 2. Dual box 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left, 1 and the 3. Let me mark them, 1 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there, and the 2 goes there in this dual box. Yes. Alright. 3, let me see. 3 to 2. Alright. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2. We have a triple box here, 1, 2, and a 3. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 2, because we have a 2 over there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. This box can also not be a 2, because if this is a 2, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in this area, 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2. Alright. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 5. In this area, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box should be a 5, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so definitely a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or 3 in this triple box, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 or 3 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box should be a 2. So those 2, 1 or 3, 1 or 3, 1 or 3. I think this box should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, that's definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, this should be a 3. This box cannot be a 1 anymore, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 1. This box, I think this should be a 3, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, and cannot be a 5 in this area. So definitely a 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. Then 4 and a 5. These two boxes, the 1 and the 2, let me mark them, 1 and the 2. If I place the 1 here, then I need a 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one of those 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 1, this should be a 2. And this should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. Then this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. That means that this box cannot be a 1 or 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it cannot be a 1, this box. This box can also not be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes in there. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last Tectonic. A Tectonic with 3 stars. Alright, see you later. Bye bye for now.